Welcome to AI Content Lab. In this episode, we're testing whether HeyGen can replace filming yourself for a faceless YouTube channel. One of the biggest challenges when building faceless content is creating professional videos without being on camera or recording your own voice. So I put HeyGen to the test to see how realistic it is, how easy it is to use, and whether it's actually worth paying for. I'll walk you through the setup, show you the final output, and give you a clear verdict on who this tool is really for. If you've ever wanted to create professional AI videos without being on camera, this is going to blow your mind. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use HeyGen's built-in avatars to create realistic talking videos in just a few clicks. No filming, no microphone, no studio setup required. Let's jump in. When you first land on the main dashboard, you'll notice how clean and intuitive everything looks. It's well laid out, easy to navigate, and especially beginner-friendly. In today's video, we're focusing specifically on avatars. In a separate video, I'll walk you through the cloning feature, where you can create a digital version of yourself, including your own voice. There are also fully virtual characters available to choose from. But for this demonstration, we're sticking with the built-in public avatars. Right now, there are around 700 avatars available, which is impressive. Many of them come with multiple looks and styles, so you can match the tone and purpose of your project. For example, this avatar here has 23 different appearance options.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Let's go ahead and choose Sawyer. I think we'll select the seated version. It feels more relaxed and conversational. Now, on the right-hand side, you can further customize your avatar, including the voice, language, background scene, and layout. You're not just picking an avatar, you're shaping how it delivers your message. You can choose from a wide range of voices, adjusting the tone and style to match your brand. Switch the language if you're creating content for a global audience, and instantly localize your video. You can also change the background scene to fit the setting, whether that's a professional office, a casual studio, or something more dynamic. With just a few clicks, you can completely transform the feel of your video. On the left-hand side is where you'll input your script. For this demo, I'll paste in a pre-written script to save time. Through a bit of trial and error, I've found that clicking the Regenerate Audio button helps improve the sync between the text and the voice.
Today, we're reviewing a system designed to help creators produce video content without appearing on camera, using AI-generated avatars.
It's a small step, but it makes a difference. You can preview the video using the play button at the bottom.
Today, we're reviewing a system designed to help creators produce video content without appearing on camera. Using AI-generated avatars and voice technology, this process reduces the need for filming equipment, lighting setups, and recording sessions. For creators building faceless YouTube channels, this can significantly simplify production while maintaining a professional presentation.
You'll notice a pop-up message explaining that full lip sync is only visible after the final video is generated, so don't worry if the lips aren't perfectly synced during preview mode. If you want to add pauses or emphasize certain words, you can do that directly in the script. Let's add a slight pause here to give Sawyer a more natural break. I'll click Regenerate Audio again and let the script update.
Today, we're reviewing a system.
Most of the time, it's almost instant. With longer scripts, you might experience a short wait.
Today, we're reviewing a system designed to help creators produce video content without appearing on camera. Using AI-generated avatars and voice technology, this process reduces the need for filming equipment, lighting setups, and recording sessions. For creators building faceless YouTube channels, this can significantly simplify production while maintaining a professional presentation.
That's better. Now the pacing feels more natural and the paragraph break flows nicely. Once you're happy with everything, click the Generate button in the top right. From there, you can adjust your final video settings, confirm your parameters, and click Submit. And that's it. Your video is on its way. Rendering took around 3 minutes for this clip, which is reasonable for short talking head style content.
Today, we're reviewing a system designed to help creators produce video content without appearing on camera. Using AI-generated avatars and voice technology, this process reduces the need for filming equipment, lighting setups, and recording sessions. For creators building faceless YouTube channels, this can significantly simplify production while maintaining a professional presentation.
Now let's talk about pricing. HeyGen's creator plan starts at $29 per month, although pricing can vary slightly depending on your region. This plan gives you access to the studio editor, AI avatars, and exports up to 1080p. One important limitation is that videos are capped at 3 minutes per clip on this tier. So if you're creating longer content, you'll either need to split videos into sections or consider upgrading. For short talking head style content, though, 3 minutes is often enough, especially for introductions, explanations, or structured segments. There's also a pro plan at $99 per month, which includes more video minutes and higher usage limits. That plan makes more sense for serious creators or businesses producing content consistently. The key question isn't just the monthly cost, it's whether this replaces filming equipment, recording time, or even hiring help. I paid for this myself to test it properly, so this isn't a sponsored review. So, can HeyGen replace filming yourself for a faceless YouTube channel? If your goal is to stay off camera and create talking head style content quickly, then yes, this is a practical solution. It doesn't replace strategy, scripting, or strong ideas. If you want to test HeyGen for yourself, I've placed the link in the description. If you'd like to see a direct comparison between HeyGen and other tools like Pictory, I've linked another review on the channel. And if there's a specific feature you'd like me to test in more detail, let me know in the comments and I'll prioritize it. This is AI Content Lab, and I'll see you in the next test.